Hey y'all, welcome back to the vlog. So I am feeling so much better, and I know like it seems like wow, you got through that really quick, but there was a lot that I had already kind of started to work through and started to overcome and stuff like that. And so honestly, all of y'all's prayers and everybody's prayers, I really think, you know, God started doing a work in me, and I am just really honestly overwhelmed with all the support, but I am just so grateful and thankful for y'all, so thank you so much. So really quick though, I wanted to kind of give like an update and kind of talk to you about something, and I didn't want to make a whole sit down video for this. I just figured because the way I'm going to do it anyways is going to be like this, so I wanted to just do it on here. So what I'm going to do is, instead of doing like all types of different separate videos, I'm going to have like vlogs that are going to just include all of the things that I already want to do as far as like cooking and cleaning and all of that. You're just going to see it within my vlog, instead of me doing a vlog for this, a vlog for that, or, you know, a video for this and a video for that. The only difference is I am going to start... Uh-oh, what happened?
I thought I lost a shoe. I'm like, oh.
The only difference is that when I do my sit down videos, I am going to still do those, and that's just going to be a whole separate thing. But I really feel like I don't want to do all of those different types of videos. I just want to include it into one video, because that, as a wife and as a mom, like, these things happen throughout my day, so it's not just eating or ow, I'm getting attacked by this guy. You little turkey. Oh gosh. So you know what I'm saying, like I'm not gonna sit there and make all these different separate types of videos. I'm just gonna include it into I'm just gonna include it in my vlogs. That way you can get like my whole life basically, but you understand. I don't know if y'all know what I'm talking about. The point that I'm trying to make is I just feel like my channel, in the direction that I wanted it to go. Mama. What is it? Oh, you got me, man.
Yeah, you got Mama.
Oh, yeah, little turkey. Oh, oh, oh. Don't you do it. Oh, oh.
Hey.
Oh. Oh.
Yep. Okay.
Okay, so anyways, what I'm trying to say is I don't want to have a bunch of different separate videos. I just want to do vlogs and then my sit down videos, because I really think that it's important that I do these sit down videos, and I am going to make a whole separate video on that really soon. Just kind of talking about it, because the whole purpose of my channel has gotten distorted, and I've gotten lost in a lot of things and doing a lot of things that I didn't even intentionally want to do for my channel. And honestly, Oh, is that yum? Mmm. Mmm.
I know.
Yeah. So honestly, uh-oh. What? You want me to taste it? I think. So the reason that I even wanted to start my channel in the very beginning was to actually do sit down type videos, and that is because some things that my husband and I had gone through in the beginning of our marriage and being saved and all of that, and becoming a Christian or being a Christian is not such an easy go lucky thing. I don't even like to use the word luck, but it's not just something that is so easy all of the time. And if you are new to Christianity, if you are a baby in Christ, there are a lot of things that you're going to go through and that you're going to experience that no one really kind of warned us or no one talked to us about. And so I'm going to get more into that in a separate video, but just like a little tidbit of that is why, like, I kind of want my channel to be more of a ministry type thing. And I hate to use that word, but that's really kind of what the direction that I was wanting to go, and just to be an encouragement and to help others, especially women. Like, great if you're a guy that watches my channel, but I'm here for women and marriage. So I don't know. So that's more or less where I'm coming from. So that's kind of what my sit down videos are going to be more about, marriage and being a wife and stuff like that, but from a biblical point of view. So, and not your typical like church answers that you would hear, or questions or thoughts that you would necessarily hear in the church, because I think there's a lot that we don't talk about, and that's something else. So anyways, I'm going to play with these kids a little bit and get some energy out myself and them too, and we're just going to take you along throughout our day. What did you did? Yuck. That is yuck. Uh-oh. Look at Freddy Krueger over here. He's about to get us.
Well, if you eat my snowball one more time. What is? Wow. You have to like throw it up and then crumble it. It looks like snow coming down. I can't do it.
Okay, well, we're done playing in the snow because it is not even snow anymore. It's like mud and mush, and baby, stop.
They have it?
Yeah. Baby son's just making a huge mess, and it's just it's too much. But according to the thing in here, it says it's 45 degrees, so It doesn't feel too bad outside, actually.
Instead of wearing shorts.
As long as you're like kind of in the sun, and then as long as you're not like walking through like the snow and getting wet. But my feet are wet now, but that's neither here nor there. Anyways, we're gonna go head to Walmart and maybe Dollar Tree. I don't know. The kids want to go there for some reason.
But
I'm not giving you no dollar. I was joking with you.
You owe me $1,
I owe
Riley.
you $1.
You owe me $1. You said I would give it.
You
Quit
owe
arguing.
You owe me $1
Quit
because
arguing.
Anyways, so we're gonna head to do that, and there was something that I needed at Walmart, and I cannot for the life of me think of what it was. Watch me get all the way home and remember.
That's my mom.
That's me, huh? So I can't remember what it was. I know it was something important. I don't know. I'll probably remember again, like I said, when I get home. But we're gonna head to Walmart, and I think we'll come home. I don't know. I gotta decide what we're gonna eat for supper tonight.
I want something.
Avon wants macaroni. I've heard you for the 50 millionth time, son.
Macaroni?
So I don't know. We might have something with macaroni. We might have just something simple because I don't know. I plan on watching a movie with these kids tonight. So hopefully that'll happen. But anyways, we're gonna go do that really quick. Okay, so we just got home, and I thought I would do like a quick little grocery haul since, hey, we're here. So this is what I got. I just got some eggs, 60 count of eggs, some mixed fruit. I was actually wanting just pineapple, but they didn't have just pineapple because I already have strawberries, but I don't have any mangoes or peaches, so it's fine. I'll do with it. Got me some fresh spinach. I got the kids, this is what we're going to have tonight, steak fingers. I don't know if I'm going to have this because let's see how much. Oh, there's only 13 carbs, but there's just like so many ingredients. I don't know. Maybe I'll have like a couple and I'll have like a salad. I don't know. Or I'll just have something else completely. But I got 2 bags of those. I got this root blend. I don't know if I'm going to make it. Whoops. Hello. Hold on. I don't know if I'm going to just like make this for smoothies or if I'm just going to cook these. I don't know. But I got this before and it was really good. But I haven't seen it at our Walmart. But, oh, excuse me. But I was really wanting beets. And I looked in the fresh produce and they didn't have any beets. Like, The store was out of everything. It was wild in there. Then I just got 4 boxes of macaroni. That's what we're gonna have tonight with the steak fingers. And then I got the kids a funfetti cake. This is just the Walmart brand, and then a chocolate one. They're actually gonna make cookies out of this. It's 88 cents, and it just goes way farther for all of my kids if I do it like this rather than buying like cookies. Like, I don't know, I can't explain what I'm trying to say, but it just goes farther if we do it like this. And you get more for, you know what I mean? Like, you get more out of it. This is only 88 cents versus paying like $2 or $3. I don't know. Probably if I added up the cost. I don't know. It just seems like it would be cheaper. Anyways, so I got 2 bags of these for the kids, and baby son really enjoyed them in the store, so had to get that. Got me some cucumbers. The last cucumbers that I got went bad really quick, so I try to get them really firm so that way they wouldn't go bad as fast. And then I just got me some bananas, but that's it. Nothing big, nothing crazy. But I'm gonna start on supper here in a second. So Avon's over here trying to make cookies for the first time, and I think we're making them. Yeah, I think you put too many ingredients in there, bud.
We're making a cake.
It's okay. We'll figure it out. Actually now gonna start supper. I got sidetracked and I started actually making the cookies so the kids could clean their bathroom, because right now okay, we have 2 bathrooms. I have our bathroom, which is in our room, and then the kids have their bathroom that they share. Well, because the pipes were frozen and everything, I don't know if I told y'all that, but the pipes were frozen, and so because the pipes were frozen, my tub won't drain. The water will come on now, and it's hot water, but the tub won't drain. So whatever the pipe is going out is not unfroze yet. So I'm having a shower in the kids' restroom, and y'all, 4 children, 2 boys and 2 girls. Y'all can only imagine. I try not to ever go in their restroom. They clean their own restroom, and I try not to go in there. So while they were doing that, I was working on the cookies. I'm making a second batch over here. I'm gonna make chocolate ones too, so that they have those. And anyways, but I thought I would show y'all because tomorrow is church. Hopefully, Lord willing, that we get to go to church tomorrow. But I'm gonna make me some overnight oats, and I thought I would show y'all because, like I said, I'm gonna include like everything in my vlogs. So it's gonna be my food and everything. I decided that I'm gonna have tilapia tonight. It's just the prepackaged tilapia. I'm gonna have this, and I think I'm gonna have me some spinach, and I'm not sure. I don't know if I want to have quinoa again, or if I just want to cut that completely since I already had some today. I might just do a big bowl of spinach. Alright, well, I decided that we are going to watch The Hobbit, and these kids are probably, I know this one, you gonna fall asleep. I see. I see it in your eyes.
I'm gonna put this one to my eyes.
Okay, you still gonna fall asleep. He's got like narcolepsy, this one. Anyway, I was about to sip it and burn my whole mouth off.
Yes.
We're gonna watch The Hobbit, and baby son's already in bed. Hopefully I'll make it through because I got my little sleepy time tea. I'm probably gonna fall asleep on the couch. Anyway, so we're gonna go watch that. I'm gonna end the vlog here, and until next time.
Be light on you.
Until next time, God bless y'all, and go and be a light out there.